Hello, I'm Jason from the Deeper Network, and let me explain to you the best way to contact Deeper Network support. So recently we've had a flood of tickets with very minimal information. Sometimes the ticket just says, "My device isn't working." I don't know what to do with that information, and all I can do is ask more questions. And that has just prolonged the support experience. We want to be able to intercept the information and fix it as soon as possible so that you can get back online and be happy with the DPN experience. So if you're opening a support ticket, please be overly informative. Provide your device SN. If there's anything related to crypto mining, provide your Deeper wallet or your BEP20 wallet. Give us the most amount of information so that when we intercept the ticket, we can already have a solution ready to go instead of needing to ask more questions. So again, please be overly informative, and that will greatly decrease the amount of time it will take to solve your ticket.
As an example ticket, this is what I recommend. Fill in your email address in the subject line, and then explain in as much detail as you can the situation that you're having. For this example, I live in Russia, and I'm trying to watch Canadian TV shows, but the tunnels are not establishing properly. So I explain the device that I have, the way that I'm using it, and I submit my device SN. That will help support understand everything and be able to look into it immediately. Deeper Network, of the users, by the users, for the users.